Hey guys, good morning. Mr. Nash here. Today is maximum overload on my hair, so I threw a hat on. Wearing it backwards because you can't see my face if the bill is straightforward, so got a backwards hat on, so I hope you guys like it. All right, so today's lesson. What are we going to be doing today? Um, I'm going to run a small little video on data literacy. Okay, so what exactly is data literacy? Okay, so data literacy is basically the ability to read and analyze, which would mean like compare and contrast, look for similarities, look for differences in data, like information. Okay, so for example, let's say we put a survey out to Shawnee to students, and we ask them, do you like Skippy peanut butter or do you like Peter Pan peanut butter? Because we are going to have a fundraiser at Shawnee with peanut butter. Okay, so we put a survey out. So we ask all the students in Shawnee if they like Skippy or if they like Peter Pan peanut butter. Okay, we get the results back from the survey. We find out that just about everybody likes Skippy peanut butter. So what do we do with that information? We think about the information and we realize that we will be using Skippy peanut butter with our fundraiser because just about everybody in the school likes it. So it gives you a better chance, a better opportunity to generate additional or more money through your fundraiser because you know that just about everybody likes Skippy peanut butter, so they're going to buy from you. Okay, so based on the information that you got from the survey, you realize that we're going to use Skippy for our fundraiser because we'll be able to sell to more people because they like Skippy over Peter Pan. So that really in a nutshell is data literacy. So you're looking at some information and you're making decisions on that information. We're going to be doing a really quick but fun activity. It's going to be the first ever data literacy scavenger hunt. Okay, so why are we doing a scavenger hunt? So we're doing a scavenger hunt. It's going to allow you to get some information, and then you're going to look at that information, and we're going to think about it. Okay, we're going to think about it. There's only 2 rules to this scavenger hunt. First rule, you have to stay in your house. Okay, so the scavenger hunt is going to take place in your house. Okay, going to take place in your house. Second rule is that you need to use items that are found in your house. Okay, so 2 rules of the scavenger hunt. First rule, you got to stay in the house. Second rule is you got to use items that are found in your house. Okay, so what do I mean like that? So an item could be Skippy peanut butter. Okay, so you guys will be deciding on and getting 5 separate items from your house. So for example, Skippy. Okay, so on a Google document, you're just going to type in scavenger hunt with your name and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's say your first item is Skippy. Okay, so once you get an item, do a quick Google search. I need you to find out how much it is per item. So Skippy is about $2.25, I'm guessing, for this little tub of peanut butter. And I need you to find out where it's made. Okay, so where is Skippy made? Is it made in the United States? Is it made overseas somewhere? So let's say China or Japan or maybe somewhere over in Europe, let's say. Okay, so you want to find 5 items. How much does it cost? Where is it made? Okay, how much does it cost and where it's made? Do a quick Google search for it. You'll be able to find that answer. Put those answers on your Google Doc. Once you have your 5 items, once you have the prices for all 5, once you figure out and have down where it's made, okay, this is where we start thinking about the information. I need you to put down in about a sentence or 2 how many of those 5 items are made either in the United States or overseas. Okay, so out of the items that you have pulled, how many are made overseas or in the United States? Okay, so let's say you have 5 items and all 5 were made overseas, let's say in China. You'll just write, Mr. Nash, all 5 items were made overseas. They were not made in the United States. Okay. Once you have that information, tell me what you think about it. Do you think that they should be made in the US? Or are you okay that they're made overseas? Okay. So again, assignment, scavenger hunt. We're only doing a scavenger hunt to pull and collect information. You have to get 5 items that are found in your house. So for example, Skippy. Do a search. How much does this cost per one, right? And then where is it made? Is it made in the US or is it made somewhere else, like China, let's say? Once you have that information, I want you to look at the information, right? Tell me how many of the items were made in the United States, how many were made elsewhere or overseas. Once you have that information, and you're going to basically write like a 1 to 2 sentence kind of reflection, let me know if you feel that it's good that they're made overseas or in the United States. Okay. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me through email. I'll get back to you immediately. And with that, this is Mr. Nash signing off, and I will see you guys when I see you. Guys, have a great day. I cannot wait to see what you guys come up with this assignment. This assignment also, it's due on Friday, so you guys have plenty of time to get this thing done. So with that, this is Mr. Nash signing off. Let's have a great day, people. Bye now.